This is our lamp breaker, and then today, because we don't have any caked material, so we are using some soil, caked soils to do the testings of our lamp breaker. So 1 second. So we're going to test it out, like how is the crushing effect of our lamp breaker with these materials. Yes, it is very hard. It is very hard and stiff, and we're going to put these into our lamp breakers to do a testings of it, and then see how it goes. Hello everybody. So today we have our lamp breakers in here. We're going to test out like how this is going to perform. This lamp breaker is used in our ammonium nitrate fertilizer. And then this one will be installed on the bottom of the charge. Lumps will go into the lamp breaker to be crunched, and then we'll send that to the reprocessing or collecting, and then reprocessing to the granulation state. So in terms of structure, you can see we have the motors in here. We have the bearing housings in here, and also have the speed sensors will be installed later in here for the low speed sensors to test, to detect if there's any low speed is occurring on this lamp breaker. And then in terms of structure, we have a base frame, and we also have the upper casing and a lower casing and a bracing on bottom. And then inside we have resistant liners and also magnesium material cutters inside of this lamp breaker. And so if we take a look from here, you can see the motors from pneumatics, and then the drivers and the gearbox is SW, and then the bearing and bearing houses are SKF. And then other features about this one. So if we take a look from this side, so you can see the floor is really wide because we just down the testings caked potassium sulfate. And now we also perform some really hard rocks on the outside. So you can see this is very hard rocks. And just to show you how hard it is, I'm going to drop down the floor so that you can see it. Yep. So these ones are caked rocks or soil, and we're going to throw this into our lamp breaker to see how it works. Holy shit, it's like a fucking weapon. So now we are removing the lump breaker and see how the parts looks like. So these are the final products of the, from the lump breaker. The oversized pulverizers. You can see the white ones are our previous potassium sulfate, and then the brown ones are the rocks, the soil mixed with rocks that we throw into the lump breaker.